Okay guys, now it's time to show you guys what's going to be in my baby bag. So this is the bag I was talking about. So this is for the baby. Isn't it super cute? It's something I got on my shower from two of my good friends. So basically what I did for my baby bag is I just threw everything into the bag. It just needs to be organized a little bit better. So I'm just going to go through the list again with you guys. So the first thing on here is diapers. It says that you need about 10 to 20. So I just bought a box of the newborn diapers. So I have like half of the pack here. 10 to 20 it says. They actually smell really good. These are just the Pampers Swaddlers. And then the next item it says is baby clothes. So I wasn't too sure what to pack. I don't know. They're kind of saying my baby's going to be around 6.5 pounds. So that baby should still fit into newborn clothing. But again, I've also heard that if you buy the onesies with the feet attached to it, sometimes if your baby's very long, they can be kind of small and tight. So I did buy a few outfits, but I only washed, I think, about 2 or 3 of them because I wasn't sure how big my baby's going to be. I'm a short person, my husband's tall, so let's see what happens. But in general, I've packed 3 outfits, and then I was hoping that once I give birth and I know the gender, maybe my sisters or my family or my sister-in-law can pick up something for the baby to wear home. So I just packed a little outfit like this. And this outfit is like really soft. It's like micro fleece. And it says, I don't know if you guys can see it, it says Dream Big Little One right here. And this is just from Carter's. It has the feet attached. I just have a generic white onesie with the feet. And then I have this little cute outfit. I was thinking if I don't get a chance to get another outfit to wear home, I'll just put this on the baby. It has a little sheep on it. This one doesn't have any feet, but it does come with socks and a cap. The other thing on this list is wipes, baby wipes. So I have a pack of Pampers baby wipes. And then the only other thing on the list is a car seat for when taking your baby home. So it is mandatory that you have a car seat in order to take your baby home. The nurses actually check to make sure that when you're taking the baby that you actually have a car seat. I have my car seat, it just needs to be installed. I actually just got my car cleaned before the installation, before the baby comes. I'm just waiting for one of those car seat protectors, which I've ordered. I'm just waiting for that to come in so that I can install the seat. Now, some of the other things that are not actually on the list, but as we were on our hospital tour, they kind of told us that this wouldn't be provided. So I actually have some little caps for the baby. So I kind of put everything like in like a little bag so that if my husband has to go through my bag or my family, they'll know where everything is. So with that little sheep outfit, it comes with like these little socks. They're so cute. And also I have 2 little caps. This one, and then this one goes with that sheep outfit. And I also have some washcloths. I think they're going to be bathing the baby there as well. So I just have a few washcloths that I also got during my shower as a gift. They actually don't tell you that when your baby's born, a lot of times they are born with like long nails. So I have some of those mitts. I just have a bunch of them in this little bag. And then yesterday I was out shopping and I decided that it would probably be a good idea because when the baby's born, it kind of has that like white stuff in its hair just from being in your body for so long. And then also the long nails. So I bought one of these complete grooming kits. So basically out of this, I'm probably just going to take one of the brush and the nail clipper, and then there's also some nail files in there. The nails tend to be really soft, so sometimes it's even hard to cut them. So I'm just going to take probably a few things out of this kit. And then to bathe the baby, I bought a 2-pack of towels, like ones that look like this. I'm just going to take one of them with me because you're not going to bathe the baby more than once while you're at the hospital. I bought some Aveeno Baby Soothing Relief Moisture Cream. And then I also have some body wash that I got from the, I actually got this body wash from the baby show. I showed you guys in my video when I went to the baby show. So it's from Dove. It's perfect because it's a good size. I won't need very much. And then also I'm going to be taking some Vaseline. I'll probably take some out. This container is kind of really big. One other thing I forgot to mention is if you wear glasses or contact lenses, make sure you pack those as well. I'm not sure if you go into a C-section, you're allowed to wear contact lenses or your glasses or whatever. So I'm going to take both with me. I'm going to take my glasses and then as well as some contact lenses. I'll probably take a few pairs of my contact lenses because I wear dailies. I actually have also some swaddling blankets. Actually, these are flannel, so they're not swaddling blankets. I guess they're called receiving blankets. And I just got a pack of these on my shower. They're so cute. They have like little sheep and then one's like lined. And I'm also gonna pack a blanket. This is like one of my favorite gifts I received. Super cute. I've already washed this. It's from the Gap. And it has like a little like bear head. And like, it's just like a blanket. I'm just gonna take this with me because probably when the baby comes home, you're not supposed to put them in any sort of like restraining things. So this would be good to just go on top of the car seat. So yeah, so I have some receiving blankets and then I also have this heavier blanket. And then I'm probably gonna just swaddle the baby in the receiving blankets for now until I come home. So guys, that's it for my bag as well as my baby bag. I know it seems like a lot of stuff, but they've given us this list and I've added on to it, obviously. But in general, these are some of the things that you'll need in order to bring your baby home safely and then also have a good stay at the hospital. A lot of the things that they used to give you at the hospital are really cut back now, so it might look like I have too much stuff, but I'd rather have too much than too little. Thankfully, as I mentioned before, I live really close to the hospital, so it shouldn't be an issue for either somebody to grab it from my house or to just pick up a few things from a store close by. Now things are starting to get really real for me. Now that I have all this stuff in front of me. After I end this video, I'm going to actually put it into my bag as well as the baby bag. It's kind of becoming really real now. I'm getting really anxious. To be honest, I just want to see what this baby looks like. I have no idea what the gender is, as you guys already know. A lot of you guys have guessed girl, a lot of you guys have guessed boy. I have no idea. A lot of people ask me if I have any feelings. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what to say. In the last little while, I have started craving like sweets quite a bit, but I don't know if that's a sign for a girl or a boy. I have no idea. People are starting to ask me, oh, are you carrying high, are you carrying low? But I think I'm supposed to drop a little bit soon, just with being so close to the end of my pregnancy. I hope you guys found this video useful. These are some of the things that I packed in my bag as well as my baby bag. If there are any suggestions you guys have, if you're a first-time mother, if you've recently just given birth, if you have friends or family that have recently given birth and they have some suggestions on what else I could pack in my bag, please let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. You guys have been so supportive throughout this whole journey, and it's kind of sad to see this all kind of coming to an end, but I'm looking forward to sharing my new baby with you guys. It probably won't happen right away, but for sure I'll be back on my vlogs. I know you guys enjoy those very, very much. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!